Okay, everybody. Tonight's video is a compilation of a couple of nights. You'll notice I've changed my outfit a couple of times because it's been done over a couple of nights. But we got the wood planks on. Ah! Don't look! Teaser! You gotta go over there and watch my videos anyways to see how I did it. So, I hope you enjoy this one. I think I got something in my ball. Hope you enjoy this one, and hey, do me a favor, will you? Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. We need likes on these videos, okay? The more you subscribe, the more we get likes, the more it gets shared with everybody, and then we can grow our audience. So, yeah, I'm doing a shameless plug here, but hey, I need the publicity. So, enjoy the video while I enjoy my brew. I've had this finish nailer since, oh my gosh, well, long before Heather and I were married. And or were we married when I got it? I don't know. It's a Craftsman and 16 gauge. It'll run 3/4 on up to 2.5 inches in length. They're the straight brads. Hang on a second, I'll show you what it looks like. You have straight ones, you got angled ones. Okay, this particular guy are straight. And if memory serves, I simply load it. You pull it back and this catches and keeps the tension on the nails, okay? So in this particular one, you gotta run at 60 to 100 PSI. So I'm already set at about 70 downstairs. So I might be good to go. Ugh. I think I'm gonna be good. All right, any air tool you got? Let's get you a couple of, no, don't. You know what? It's a brand new one. Probably got one of those Tylenol proof seals on it, yep. That's good though. You know, we don't want any snowflake drinking this crap. It's bad enough that they eat Tide Pods. Yeah, it's funny, because I got a whole radiator full of Mountain Dew for them too. And if they ain't good enough for them, I got all kinds of pink cotton candy hiding behind these walls if they get that hungry. Stupid kids. Anyhow, oh crap, that came out quick. You just need a couple drops, man, that's it. That's all you need. Couple drops. Want to be able to lubricate those veins on the inside of this thing. Because most of these pneumatic tools, well, I don't know about the inside of this one, but I know that on an impact deal, let's see what happens. Nice! So, we're going to use a combination of this and in this particular case, I've got some PL510, construction adhesive for wood, okay? We're gonna line the back of these planks, all right? Put a little bit of this stank on there. I'm gonna put this into place and I'm gonna brad nail it in a couple of spots and we'll keep on building the wall. We're gonna run a random pattern on this. I've already thrown the level on the floor. The floor is perfectly level across the bottom. So that's exactly where I'm going to start these boards. And, you know, it's just going to go right up against there. And we'll just build it. And go from there. I might even get excited to just do a stagger all the way until we're done. I will time-lapse that piece for you, okay? So you're not bored to death. Besides, you like watching me run around super fast like a crazy mouse. All right, let's get busy. It's kind of cool what you can see from there, but so I'm coming up on the outlet, which I'm gonna have to notch this piece out. I don't know where my jigsaw is, but I've got one of these old Chicago electric jobs. Now folks, all right fellas, how many times have you bought a tool and your wife is like, do you really need that? Can a horse doo-doo walking? Can a bear boogie? Is a frog's butt watertight? The answer is yes, all right? So every tool I've ever bought, for every project I've ever worked on, has been used. Nothing's ever gone to waste. And I've used every one of my tools that I've purchased multiple times to create the oasis that my wonderful family lives in. So the answer is yes. Get the right tool for the job, okay? Because you don't want to be cobbling stuff together without the right stuff and, you know, put together a substandard product. I need to go find my glasses because I need to be wearing safety glasses, speaking of proper equipment. Anyhow, yeah, these are cool, man. So if you're just doing small notching like that, instead of getting out the, you know, the jigsaw and doing all these weird kind of things, and we're done. Yeah. Are you happy now? Because I am. Now let's get back to work. Wow. I don't care who you are, right? That frickin' wall looks awesome! Look at that! Oh my gosh, I didn't expect it to look that good. So we just got to trim out, right, the window. So, hang on, let me turn it. Okay, we're back. So you can see I've got the whole end wall done. And what I got to do now is I got to snap me a line or something and cut off the excess that's overhanging here. Same thing with down here. And then we're going to go ahead and case this in with some 1x. And then I'm going to trim it out with this nice pre-finished textured wood. So we're going to box that in, and it's really going to have a nice rustic charm to it. So somebody at work told me that that looks like a wood camouflage pattern, and they're right, it does. So I've got a big circular saw that I, you know, on a cord and everything that I can use to zip through that, but I really don't want to use such a huge tool. It makes too much of a mess, and I'm dragging cords around. So I went out and bought a cordless circular saw. Okay, now, if you've been paying attention to the videos, I have this old crusty Ryobi drill. And boy, have I put some miles on this thing, working on my Jeep and other things, and it's just really got beat to hell, but it is holding strong. But what I like about these products is this battery. Okay, it's a lithium 18 volt. They make one that's a little bit thicker, you know, for extended life. But as long as Ryobi's been in existence, if you remember, they used to be, I think the tools were blue. They never changed this design, right? So, this is it. Now, this drill is several years old. This one I just got today, okay? And the same system works on all their tools going back to the time when they first designed this particular battery. So they never changed that up. And that's what I like about it. I used to have a Craftsman set of cordless tools. They're junk, man. They didn't last. The batteries went dead. But I got a lot of mileage out of this. So this particular kit came with the small saw, another drill. It's actually the same drill, looks like. A charger and a battery for 79 bucks. That's not a bad deal. So basically, you can set your depth, set your angles. Comes with the tool, the Allen key to go ahead and put your blade on. And the reason I like this, it's a 5.5 inch blade. It's nice and teeny tiny. So once I get my stuff snapped, I can just whip, cut it down, and be good to go. And then we'll go ahead and stick our 1x in there and get it framed out. Okay. All right. Hang tight. Let's go to warp speed. That's how we get that done. Toast. Didn't turn out too bad. I'm pretty proud of this. Wow. Yep, we'll get this stained and close to matching this border. This I got this at Home Depot. This stuff's already pre-stained and rustic looking and rough cut, and it just gives me that look that I'm looking for. You know what I mean? And so the next thing is I got to get a set of blinds, 86 inches.
Hey, man. He didn't mean to say 86, dude. Like he said 68. Can you dig it?
I'll match the house blinds, so it'll be dark wood colored. And then that wall, we'll practically call it done. Get some extensions on the boxes out here, bring those outlets forward a little bit. And the next step is to work on the wall that's behind you. So, hey, I hope you like this. It was a culmination of a couple of nights. And but it turned out good. This is the lumber is Weaber, W-E-A-B-E-R. Okay, and then all I did was use construction adhesive and a nailer, and these are 16 gauge, 1.5 straight. All right, looks awesome. Whew. Get some cool air in here, man. Yeah. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Have a good night.